Well, hello you guys, and welcome to the channel. Let's get into this look, okay? I always clean my face first and foremost. That's step one. Clean your freaking face, okay? I use Johnson & Johnson wipes, nothing in particular. Most people will use makeup remover wipes, whatever suits you, whatever you have, okay? Not gotta be silly. Okay, next, this is a eyebrow brush. You want to brow check, okay? And I am brushing them, and then I notice, so I'm gonna clean these up real quick, okay, with razor. Now that is just a little cleanser, and I clean those up real good. Okay, brush them back out. Okay, now I use a brown pencil, eyebrow pencil. Ooh, made a mistake. So keep wipe that right off. Okay, let's try that again. What you want to do, you want to just trace your brow shape, okay? On top and underneath. Yeah, and you want the other one to be at least in the cousins range. It doesn't need to be an identical twin, just related. Yeah. And then I put a little pomade on the tip of my brush. I'm just brushing it in to make it be natural. Okay. I use brown because you want it to look as natural as possible. You don't want it to be black. Now I use the concealer from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics, and I think the concealer, if I'm not mistaken, is number 2. I always try to use a lighter underneath, and then that is a brown concealer. I got that actually from AliExpress. I don't know what brush that is, but this is the brush I use. Okay, we're gonna go into it. I'm just gonna blend the concealer into my face. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's just blending it in, both sides. And that tail was gone, so I just put it back in with that pencil. And I'm working the top like so. Alright, now I'm going to go to the center of my face. And then you blend that in. Ooh, the brows are nice. Yes. There they go. There go those brows, child. Can't be serious to save my life. Okay, now we're gonna put in or on the primer. Okay, these are the 2 different primers I'm using. One is from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. Then there's the Pore that I got off of AliExpress, and just rub it in like lotion for me. Put it all over. I'm going to use the Pro Concealer Orange to do a color correction. I usually put it around my mouth area and my nose because of the Indian. It's a little darker around my mouth part. And that brush is from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics, and I wanted to spray my brush with setting spray just so it can be moist a little bit. And you want to blend all that concealer in. Then I went back in with my concealer from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics, and I just want to blend in so I can get a little more light color back in. Now I'm going to go with my foundation, number 2 from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. Okay, I also use Fit Me. I'll put the number somewhere around here, and I blend those in. Now I'm going to do a foundation check just at the base of my chin. It looks pretty good to me. Now let's go ahead and put this foundation in. Okay, just gonna blend all of it in, making sure I get it up under my eye real good, on my ear, so it can all be coherent and cohesive around them edges. And then I'm gonna blend in down through the neck. You guys can see that, but I went down to the neck so it can match. You know, some people's neck be different from their complexion because they don't go all the way down. Then I am now concealing in those highlighted areas under my eye, nose, chin, and forehead. I'm going back in with a darker just so I can blend it so the concealer or highlighted areas won't be as abrasively bright. Get this blender ball from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. I'm just blending in, baby. That's all you need to do. Blend, honey. Blend, child. Blend, blend, blend. Make sure you get that forehead together and blend. I forgot my nose, but there you got it. I don't know what I was listening to. Had me jamming though. Blend. Now you want to set those highlighted areas, and I'm using I'm using Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics loose powder. Shake it, shake it, shake it, don't break it. Look at that. Oof. I'm using that same blender ball to place it on the highlighted areas, up under my nose, up under my eyes, up the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Let that sit. Now I'm going to use this palette. It's a 3D palette, so old, y'all. I got it from the beauty supply, and I love it. It's cream, different cream concealers and highlights. I'm going to use this with my finger, honey. This is the way I do it. This is how I do it. Okay, I'm going to contour those areas above in the my forehead, my nose, up under my lips, to give like a little make my lips a little more pouted. And then I'm going to do my cheekbone area. Get that same blender ball, but the pointed area, and blend it in. Oh, no. Blend in, honey, blend. Blend like your life depended on it. Hey. I'm using the Mermaid palette by Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. This is so cool. I love this palette. I don't know what brush this is, but I'm using it. Okay. And then I'm going to use this color right here. Okay, that was a mistake. I needed to start here. Okay, so I'm going to blend that in. Now I just put this eyeshadow on till I felt like it was dark enough for me. I don't know if this is right or wrong. Okay, so I'm just putting this eyeshadow in this lid, just blending in. I'm watching my monitor, trying to see if it look anywhat decent. Checking it out. Now I'm going to use this color right here, this gold. Yeah, I don't know colors like that, like what looks good with what. I just be picking colors and then be like, that don't look good, but I'm gonna have to roll with it. I commit, honey. I just commit. And I'm just putting it up under the brow. Really can't see it now that I'm looking, but oh well, honey. Gotta go with what I picked. Now I'm going to use this base, this eyeshadow base, to go over that color, because I'm actually about to place some glitter on there, and I don't have any glitter glue, but I'm going to roll with this base because this glitter on her palette, and I'm going to use this glitter right here. But The glitter on her palette is real good. Like, it goes on very easy. You don't really need this. You just need a wet surface. So there it is. There goes the glitter. Now I'm going to use the Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetic mascara. Only thing about this particular mascara is really runny. And then I'm going to use the Sugar eyeliner. Y'all do not know how to make a good a good cat eye. Don't. Lord. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm going to put some good old lashes on it, so it don't matter. I'm going to dust this loose powder off. And that's the result, you guys. Ooh, my hair look good. Now I'm going to use the Butterfly Effect lashes by Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics as well. Maybe I swear I'll be about to fly away with these lashes. I don't think long lashes like that are cute on little eye people like myself. I mean, it just could be me, or maybe I put them on wrong. I don't know. But I'm placing them on. I had the struggle was so real, and I ran out of my real eyelash glue, so I was using bonding glue. Lord, my eyes was just burning, watery. But there they go. Hey girl, hey. Flutter away, flutter away. But yeah, there they go. Okay. Yep, and put some mascara underneath on my bottom lashes. I used a little spool from the eyelashes to just fluff that out. Now I'm going to use some highlighter. This is a highlighter that I got with my Ipsy pack, but I think I got some from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics, and I do. Here we go. And I'm not sure if it's a number for this creamy highlighter, but if so, I'll put it somewhere. There you go. Highlight. Oh, and it smells so good. Cheekbone, my chin, my nose, and my forehead, and I just blended it in. I wanted to rub it in just so it can blend in a little bit more. Okay, but I'm gonna come back and put a little bit of highlight, powdered highlight in there, just so that highlight can pop a little bit more. Okay, tap that, fluff that on them cheekbones, baby, because I got cheekbones for days, honey. Forehead. Okay, and I wanted to now I'm going to use Fuchsia. Is bright. Oh, Fuchsia Looks Bright, which is the FLB color from Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetic. But wait, I'm going to use Indigo as well. You do somewhat of an ombre effect, which I low-key, it's okay. It was okay, but I don't think it went with the look. I just wanted to be able to use both of the colors because whenever I did the unboxing of it, I had on the Fuchsia Looks Bright, and you guys weren't able to see the indigo, so I wanted to incorporate it somehow, but I don't think I too much like it. So I am going to take the Fuchsia Looks Bright color and go over it. And then looky, I made a nice like color. I don't know what to call this, but it is pretty. Now I like this. Okay, let's roll with that. That's it, baby. Hey, give you face for days. Hello. You're welcome. This is how I do it. Yes. Alright, you guys, that was the tutorial. I hope I did it justice. Now, I'm not no makeup artist. Like I told y'all, I can put some stuff together on my face and make myself look decent. I hope that helped some of you guys that do the same as me. And also, I want to give a shout out to this sponsored look of Lips and Lashes by Shea Cosmetics. Please, if you saw anything of any of the products that I use and you were interested in them, go ahead down to the description box down below. Click the link, use my code to get a discount, and get some of these products on your own and play around with them yourself, okay? Thank you guys so very much. This has been The Look with Whitney D, with Whitney D TV. Bye.